Evening. All right, so for this question right over here, we need to calculate the value of t, okay? If total distance is 2,400 meters, we also need to find deceleration down here. And lastly, we calculate speed at 95th second. So let me get to have more people watching. Please come through. It's a request. Somebody requested that I do this video. So I've come live right over here. So please share the video. Let's do this together. Hey, Emma. Hi, Emma Mumba. You're good? All right. So this is a question. All right, Charles. Thank you so much, Charles, to know that you are there. Elisha. So please don't sleep. We're doing quite a number of questions this evening. So please, let's do this together. So we'll be breaking questions one by one. So you come through, we do one question, we go, and so on and so forth. So this is a question right over here. So you can copy it, copy and see on how you're supposed to do this. Definitely, Christopher won't sleep up until you understand the mathematics. So we'll be doing them in parts, just like this. So this is a question. Let me get to have more people watching. Like the video, like. So where there is that love sign, you can press so that we get to have more people watching. Okay. All right. Thank you. So let's do this. Look at the question. They've given us the total distance right over here. They're saying it's 2,400, and they want us to find what? The value of t. The most important thing that we must do here is to identify or understand the shape that we have. So the shape that you're able to see here is a trapezium, okay? So if I may ask you a question, that what is the formula for finding area of a trapezium? Of course, somebody may say, okay, when finding area of a trapezium, we say area is equal to 1 over 2 open bracket a plus b and h right here. I would say in most cases, this is what I'll tell you. There is a question in paper 1, last question, which looks like this, and this formula is mostly used. So what we're going to do here is to get this same formula and say distance. We use it for distance. Since we've been given distance is equal to 1 over 2 a plus b and h right here, okay? So in place of d, which is distance, are we there, guys? Are we there? So in place of d, we're going to write 2,400. That is in place of d. So that is 2,400 is equal to 1 over 2, okay? And where there is a here, we'll write the length. So from here to here, it's 100. I want you to understand something. So for A should be the distance from here all the way to here. This is our A. Okay, this is our A. And when we look at this from here to here, it's 100. Okay, while our B will be from here to here. Can you see that? So this is our B. Okay, and our B will simply be, you get this minus this. So I'll just say for our B, it's a t minus 20. That's our B, t minus 20. The length from here to here, it's t minus 20. Let's say here there was 60, it would have been 60 minus 20, which will give us a 40. So now we don't know the value of t, so we'll just say this is t minus 20, and it's our B. So here you say For B, it's t minus 20. And then for H, going upwards from here to here, it's a 30. Just like that. So let me cut up to here. Are you okay up to here? Is it okay up to here? On how I've identified what to put in the formula. Is it okay? Let me know if it's okay, so that we can do this together. So my question is, are you okay up to here? The formula and also the data to put in our formula. Are you okay up to here? Okay, I can see people are saying they're okay. So once you do that, you can now simplify. So 2 into 2, it's a 1. Into 30, it's a 15. So if you want here, there are two methods. If you get this 15 multiplied by 100, and actually before you multiply by 100, you can simplify what is inside the brackets here. So we can say 2400 is equal to this 20 and 100 here. We can say 100 minus 20, which will give us 80, because they are like terms. And we've got t here, 15 there. So now at this point, if you want, you can multiply 15 by 80 so that you get rid of the brackets. Or if you want, you can just divide. Since you are multiplying, you can divide by 15, both sides by 15. Okay, so when we divide by 15, of course, this and this will go. We shall remain with this side. It's 160, because when we say 15 in 2400, it's 160, which is equal to 80 plus a t. So to solve for t, we group the like terms. This will simply be equal to 160 minus 80 is equal to t. So the value of t will come out to be equal to 80 seconds. So here it's 80 seconds. We can even write that t here, it's 80 seconds. Okay, so that's what you need to know. All right, so now we go to the next question, where they're saying we find deceleration. First of all, are you okay on how found 80? Sir, we are not supposed to deal with big numbers. Yeah, definitely. It's not a problem. If you want, you can deal with big numbers or small numbers. It depends on how you feel like simplifying. Are you following, guys, up to here? Are you following up to here so that we can do question B to find deceleration? Can somebody tell me in the comment section if you're following up to here so that we can do deceleration? Okay. All right, so you're following, right? Okay, so that's it. So now for deceleration here, deceleration, we just use the same formula for acceleration. This is how it will work. So deceleration and acceleration, they are opposite of each other. So we just use this formula for deceleration. And when identifying what to put here on our formula, this is what you need to know. So we're going to say for deceleration, our u will be here, our v will be here. So where it started here, that's where our u is. What is the value of u? It's a 30. And where it ended here, that's a v. What's the value of v? It's it's a 0. So we can plug in v, it's a 0, minus u, it's a 30, over t. You find the time difference between 80 and 100. So here, if you don't mind, you can just say 100 minus 80. It will give you what? It will give you a 20. So this is a 20. So you simplify further, it's a negative 30 over 20, which will give us a negative 3 over 2. Okay? So if you want, you can leave your answer like this, but remember to put the units. Or if you want, you can say negative 1.5 meters per second squared. Okay, so can you see I'm putting a negative here? It's because I'm finding acceleration. So if I don't want to put a negative, I can just write deceleration. Deceleration is equal to, so that I remain with a positive value. So this is a deceleration, and put the units meters per second squared. Okay. Now, sir, what is the difference between acceleration and deceleration? So the difference is that acceleration is slant up. So can you see this side? It's going slant up like this. This is acceleration. Deceleration is going down. That's why I said acceleration and deceleration are opposite of each other. One of them goes up, the other one goes down, just like that. I hope you understand. Could you let me know if you understand? Do you now understand what it means when we say acceleration and deceleration? Okay. So yeah, we can even use that. It's acceptable. Increasing, decreasing. So this one increasing, this one decreasing. So that's what we need to know. Is it clear now for acceleration and deceleration? Is it now clear? It is, right? Okay, so let's go to the last question. The last question is interested. I mean, it is interesting. So the last question, okay, thank you so much. If you understand, we can move on. So for the last question, they are saying speed at 95th, 95th second. So 95th will be right over here. So this is where 95 is. Okay. I hope you can see that one. That's where 95 is. Okay. So what we're going to do here is simply to find the difference. Okay. So we're going to say, you see this formula for finding acceleration. This is the formula we're going to use to answer question C. Since we know that deceleration, the answer here, it's negative 1.5 meters per second squared. This is deceleration. So we need this deceleration to answer this question. Because 95, it's found right here where it's decelerating. Eh? So we shall say AT, okay, plus U is equal to V. So it's the same, this and this are the same formula. I've just cross multiply this by this and then brought this side. I will made U subject of the form, I mean V subject of the formula, meaning U will come this side. And this is the formula. So the moment you just say that they want you to find the speed of the number which you can't see here, use this formula. Okay. So for A, that's our deceleration. We'll say negative 1.5. For T, it will be the time difference from where it started decelerating here, which is 80, and where we are finding, which is 90. So we'll just say, it's a 95. We'll just say 95 minus 80. Of course, this is giving us a 15, isn't it? So that's the time we're dealing with. We're dealing with 15 seconds. Okay? Are we together up to here? Do you guys understand up to here? where are you behind? So that's 95 minus 80. It's giving us a 15. Okay, it's clear, right? So now this 15, you write it where T is, plus the U. We said U is where it started decelerating. It's 30. So we shall say plus 30 is equal to V. Okay? When you multiply these, you multiply negative 1.5 times 15. What are we getting? We are getting, I think we've missed it. Have we missed it? Are we doing the right thing? Yeah, sorry. We're getting we're getting a 22.5. I guess that's what you're getting when you multiply. This is giving us a 22, negative 22.5 plus 30 is equal to V. Okay? Yeah, that's what we're getting. And when we simplify here, negative 22.5 plus 30, it's giving us a 7 point, is it 7.5? 7.5 meters per second, which is equal to V. So this is a speed. We found a speed here. As it is dropping here, the speed is 7.5 meters. Is that clear now? Is it clear? About the speed, is it clear? Let me know if it's clear. All right, thank you so much. I can see somebody saying it's clear. This is really, really super good. So, Muitwa, it's not 7.4, it's 7.5. Okay. All right, guys, thank you so much. Remember, when we come live like this, we always give opportunities to people to join our online classes. So, here is a question if you want to join so that I can see. So, -2, okay, squared minus 2, plus 2 squared is equal to what? -2 squared, actually it's minus also here. -2 squared minus 2 squared. What is the answer? So -2 squared minus 2 squared. What is the answer? 0. Okay. Anybody else? Check the question nicely. I'm talking about this. There's minus, minus, not plus. -2 squared minus 2 squared. What are you getting? Quickly. Should we go? Okay, so this is Emma. Emma, we're giving you an opportunity to join our online classes. So here it's a -4 minus 4, which will give us a -8. Okay, so that's how the answer is coming out. Thank you so much, Emma. You can get in touch with us on WhatsApp. If you know our WhatsApp number, WhatsApp your name. We'll give you an opportunity to learn with us. It's not positive unless if there are brackets. It's not positive, it's a negative. Thank you and bye-bye.